find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
So right now we're just heading out. We're gonna go get some brewskis from Liquor Locker around the corner, and then Jordan needs to get some gas. Then we're gonna go ahead and head over to Estrella's birthday, 21st birthday. So we're gonna have a good time. Jordan's in his 2 valve behind me. I'll probably get him to roll up right now. Dude, guys, this is so bad. I can't see anything, man. Not good to be out here with the 560 horsepower car. Even Jordan's driving slow too. Look at this, look at this, look at this. There's a stop sign up ahead, but you know, screw it. I'm just gonna SUV. I'm just gonna smash past the stop sign and let me hydroplane real quick because he's smashing. Oh man, I can't see shit. Oh man. Look at that. He stopped in the middle of the road. Good job, guy. Good job, buddy. You're really rushing that hard right now in this rain. We're just casually driving, and then next thing you know, this freaking storm hits, and it's bad. I knew it was gonna rain, but damn, this is hard. Like, it went from 0 to 100, like, not even lying. Like, it literally just freaking started storming out of nowhere. What makes it worse is we're on country roads. So it's not just freaking regular roads. It's like narrow. There's dips where all the water just kind of builds up. And I mean, you can't see anything, especially when headlights are coming at you like this. Like, very difficult. I don't know if you guys can see the road, but I don't know if the camera is like better than my eyesight, but yeah, I can't even see the road right there. Yo, I'm gonna have to figure out a different route. This is not happening. Yo, what's up, dude? Yeah, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, my car's way too low to be in this fucking street.
Dude, I know. That's what I was saying that right now too. I'm about to look up a different route because this is dumb.
Yeah. Fuck no, dude. I don't want to be on this road no more. It's stupid, but to get on a fucking different road.
Dude, I'm waiting to get into a town right here. I'm probably, oh, dude, slow down.
Oh shit! What the?
All right, let's figure this out. Pull up behind me. There's a room right there.
Remember, he was driving all dumb. He was all fucking gassing it when we were over there. And I talked to him.
Yeah, I see that, bro.
Put your hands up!
Damn. Do we go around?
Come on, put your hands up!
Bro. Like, we're in the line of fire if we go. He's saying wake up. I think he might be like, he's probably drunk. He has the gun. He has a gun. Yeah, that's why he's saying without touching your firearm. That's they probably saw the firearm when they pulled him over. See how they're moving in with the canine?
All the way up! Step to your right! Your right hand!
I can't see from here.
Get down, Mark! Get down! Mark, you're coming! Mark, you're gonna start crawling. Start crawling forward now. Start crawling. Keep crawling, Mark. Stop. Get back on the ground. Get on the ground like an airplane. Put your hands up.
All right, guys, so we made it home safely. Luckily, as you guys saw, it ended up ending pretty crazy. As soon as we saw our chance, that's basically when I dropped the phone and just me and Jordan just went around because we were trying to get home. It was like, I don't even know, honestly, like 2 a.m. or something like that. So with that being said, really glad we made it. Shelby's out here looking nice and clean. Somewhat, obviously, it's raining like crazy. We're waiting for the rain to clear up so we can go ahead and detail our cars. But with that being said, really happy I made it home again. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I have a lot more content coming, post weekly, so go ahead and subscribe. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.